Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Soccer City Stadium njengoba niyabona iKaizer Chiefs yawo mapa izodlala neCabo Scorn yase-Angola. La iKaizer Chiefs elilwa khona ngo-1-0. Asazi ukuthi izokwazi ukubuya iKaizer Chiefs. It's not gonna be an easy game. It's gonna be very interesting because kumele bakore 2 goals. Bangakhonsidi. If bazokhonsida 1 goal sokumele bakore 3. If bazokwazi uku-advance soba nzima kakhulu. Siyayithemba iKaizer Chiefs bafethu ukuthi izokwazi ukubuya noma engeke bakwazi ukuhandle i-pressure, intensity of the African football. Well, abantu esingababheka abafew bafethu masibheka igame namhlanje. I think laphana phambili is going to be very important for iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi bathole mhlawumbe istrike esisolid esizokwazi ukubashayela amagoli. Sazi ukuthi bangabeka bani. Umayo akekho because abamregistanga ufike late because i-registration ye-CAF iphele ivalwe nge-30 August, but amanye ama-player akhona well equipped ukuthi angakwazi ukuperforma. Obviously kunabo Duprizi but i-player enganayo physique, siyazi ukuthi i-strength sakhe i-pace, asazi ukuthi kuzodingeka i-pace egamini namhlanje noma kuzodingekani. Well, i-right back highly contested position. Sibonile last game ukuthi kudlala uFrosla ke in terms of i-pace going back yemshayayo. Going forward yazama ucontribute but unama-problems wakhe amancane. Sithemba ukuthi uzokwazi uku-improve kulawo ama-problems wakhe. It's not gonna be easy for him because bazozama ukutarget iside lakhe. I-left back uMarco akekho namhlanje, ulimele. Uzodlala abantu ku-left back. Is it gonna be Shinga or Cross? Cross might be more preferred kunamanye ama-player. Nango Shinga imuva wami ngiyambona bafethu ukuphuza amanzi. This could potentially be ilokhunjana the first game of the season for yena, the CAF Confederations Cup. The biggest question is he ready to compete against the big boys of the African football? Ngeke kube lula. Ugoalkeeper uPeterson already this season na 5 clean sheets, but for the past 3 games uconsidile amagoli against Sekhukhune United, uconsidile also the previous game le bazoyidlala namhlanje, uconsidile away lapha eAngola. I-defense eKaizer Chiefs izohamba kanjani bafethu? Is it gonna be solid or izoba ntengentenge futhi? Uinacho Miguel as leader labo, ukunika njengoba ngibheka lapha phezulu bafethu ngibona uDuba noMduduzi duo die bafethu, nangu Justin Sirino naye bazodlala kanjani? Are these guys inspired to win the game? Ngeke kube lula njengoba ngisho. Peterson ngiyambona lapha ku-warm up, ama-player njengoba ngiwabhekile bafethu emotional. Uyabona ukuthi i-level of intensity high, but they do understand the magnitude of the game ukuthi ngeke ibe lula. Ubani ozophakamisa isandla sakhe athi mina makhosi ngizonimela because we want to remain kule CAF competitions. Ulokhunjana ucele izolo ukhuluma indaba yokuthi bafuna ukukompyutha kahle ku-CAF, bakwazi ukuthola ama-results, bafuna ukuya all out, bafuna ukureacha i-final ye-CAF Confederations Cup. Qala namhlanje ukuthi bakwazi ukuwina namhlanje, ukuthi bakwazi ukurecover from the setback of i-1-0. Abanye ngibabonayo bafowethu laphana ngibona bathela amanzi laphana emapalini, asazi ukuthi odokotela noma benzani, but yeah, I mean you have to use everything that you have. Like if kumele usebenzise a chemical or whatever, chemical doctor, use that thing. But today kumele ngempela bakwazi ukuthola ama-results. Masibheka i-midfielder yaphana eKaizer Chiefs bafethu angazi ukuthi izoba kuphi kanjani because uNdlovu siyazi ukuthi ngeke adlale ilimele. Ucele kazi uzodlala yiphi position or siyazi ukuthi uzodlala i-6 ukuthi izoba influential kangakanani egamini, nanokuthi abobani abazoba around yena. Are they still gonna prefer ulokhunjana uMthethwa because uMthethwa uye umdlali laphana bafethu onokwenza izinto zenzeke in terms of like a protect defense eKaizer Chiefs, but i-problem yakhe ukuthi uluza ibhola kalula bafethu. Amanye ama-player ngiwabona njengoba ngibheka lapha phezulu bafethu ngibona uModi, uNthwari nangu uthola i-spotlight. Asazi ukuthi uNthwari this could potentially be his first game of the season. Well, I don't see that. Asazi kodwa ngoba phela it's a game of football, it's unpredictable. Une-experience ebhola lase-Africa. uSilva asazi given an opportunity to play ukuthi yena uzodlala kanjani. Ngicela ukuyibamba laba bafethu kamanje. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa bafethu ukulike, isubscribe, isimake sure ukuthi le page ifika ku 15,000 subscribers. Nangu uNgcobo noMthetho bafethu. Danko.